What's up, guys? We got a lot of interesting stuff to go over with crypto right now. Let me get my bag real quick. But anyways, there are a couple of really interesting technical indicators for crypto right now that just came out, and as well as additional information from Bitcoin miners. That was very surprising. So in today's video, we're gonna go over three things that are going on, two technical indicators, and one piece of information that just came out from Bitcoin miners and how it relates to where the market is going over the next couple of weeks and next couple of months. We're gonna talk about short-term and long-term. So if you guys enjoy this sort of content, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications, and let's see if we can get the video up to 2,000 likes. The other day we were really close, we got up to 1,500. If we do, I will open up Discord to everyone. But anyways, first thing going on right now is with regards to, we'll talk about Bitcoin miners. So first thing is that Bitcoin miners right now, reserves for Bitcoin miners are at all-time highs. We're approaching all-time highs that we saw earlier this year on May 9th. And this is a great sign. This means that all these Bitcoin miners are not selling any Bitcoin. They're keeping it in their reserves. And this shows that they're not impressed by the recent rally we've seen with Bitcoin. Unimpressed, they're like, yo, we think prices are gonna go significantly higher. We're not willing to sell any of our Bitcoin. We're gonna keep it in our reserves because we think the rally is just starting. So that's the first thing. Whew. Second thing going on is with regards to a technical indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. Right now we are seeing record highs for that as well, signaling extreme fear, extreme greed in the market right now. Just the other day, within the last 48 hours, we saw the crypto fear greed index read 76 out of 100, and that shows us that right now people are very greedy. Some people are taking profits, but essentially what this crypto fear and greed index does, it takes into account a bunch of different things to signal whether the market is overbought or oversold. And right now, we have seen an extreme flip from just 1 month ago. We saw it register 76 out of 100, which shows extreme greed. And just 1 month ago, we saw it back when the market was at a low and Bitcoin was around $28,000, $30,000 per coin. We saw this crypto fear and greed index show that we were at 10 out of 100, which was extreme fear. So this is really just showing the sentiment of the market right now. People are greedy, people are taking profits. Some people are taking profits, some people are pouring more money into it, but overall the sentiment is there's a lot of greed in the market right now. And you know, if we compare this back when we were at lows, there's a lot of fear, people were worried. So that is what's going on with that. That's not a great sign in the market right now. That's a sign that we could see a pullback because there is extreme greed in the market right now. And then the third thing going on, the third technical indicator, this one also isn't, this one shows that we could see a pullback continue to happen. We may see Bitcoin touch $40,000 to $42,000 per coin before we see it break back out and start touching record highs. This is with the daily volume, exchange volume, because right now we are seeing the volume on exchanges for Bitcoin at, we're seeing the volume on exchanges for Bitcoin at record lows right now. We're seeing it continue to drop, and this is a sign that there isn't as much demand right now in crypto as there was just a couple of weeks ago. Just a couple of weeks ago, we saw very high demand. Exchange volume was extremely high. We saw a lot of people not wanting to miss out, not wanting to, miss out on the massive rally or anything going on with crypto. And so now we're seeing the complete opposite. Volume is very low. We're seeing that some people just don't want to, some people just aren't wanting to put more money in right now that we're seeing record highs. We're seeing us, start to rally and starting to approach record highs. So we're seeing just some people hold off a little bit, see where the market goes, and ultimately we'll see what happens. We'll have to wait and see if Bitcoin can break above $50,000 per coin. If we can, well then I think we would see a lot of these indexes flip, see a lot of people want to get back into the market. because right now people are just waiting to see what the next big move is, see if we can see Bitcoin's price break above $50,000. Then I think we'd see this crypto fear and greed index flip. I think we'd see a lot of people get scared, not want to miss out, have a lot of FOMO. And I also think we'd see daily exchange volume increase dramatically as well. It's just right now, we've been approaching $50,000. We haven't been able to break through it. Once that happens, I think we'll see a couple of big shifts take place. But ultimately, a lot of things right now are pointing to the fact that we are going to continue to see a pullback in the market before we start to touch those record highs again. That crypto fear and greed index shows that. The daily trading volumes at lows, that shows that. And it's not that we're entering a bear market. It's not that things aren't looking good in crypto. It's just short term. A couple of technicals show us that we could be having a bit of a pullback, touch that $42,000 range before we see it start to approach record highs again. Anyways, I'm not selling any. I'm going to continue to add to my positions. I just want to let you guys know what the technicals are showing, what the market is showing right now, how this rally we have been seeing is looking like it's going to take a little bit of a pause, a little bit of a break, just before we start to rally our way back up. But that's what's going on. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.